sihlangana lapha emall asikwazi ukukhuluma izinto sebantwini kuma mall yonke leyo nto leyo. Isifiso sakho kahle kahle sithini?
Isifiso sami ngamla yami ukuthi nibe right empilweni, nibe nemali eningi, nibe yonke into engijabulisayo.
Kunalokho straight ukuthi angikwazi ukuthi ngithatha imali yami ngunike, ngeke yenzeke into enjalo even noma kuyiphinyanga ayikwazi ukuyenzeka into enjalo. Kodwa ke sinalokho ukuthi abantu basetshenzwa benze into okuthiwa ngama rituals. Yonke into yakho iphumelele. You find promotion, uthola umusa, you find your greater heights, you grow every day. Where you knock, the response is positive. Impendulo yakho kufanele ibe positive. Abantu basukuma, yazi ngantale umfanisela abantu ngobaba lo esithi umtsepo eSundowns. Ubaba lwana urana iSundowns, urana is mine. Awukwazi umbone ku newspaper sekugcwele ngento ezibhedayo. But abantu abaningi uyawuthi uhleli uthola omnye sekuphume ku newspaper sokunalo kusokuthiwa lokuyana. Uyayibona lento lengisho. So ngine cleansing mina sibiza cleansing and opening up. General cleansing ukuthi nje sidila nemoya yakini, amadlozi wakini, inhlanhla zakho ezivele zikhona ozelwe nazo natural. Uyabona? Masenza ke into ezinjalo kube u2.5. But cleansing yakho angikwenzi one day, so kantinga isikhathi sakho. Angeke ube nento ezibhede for 10 years. You're having a problems for 10 years. You come to this person, he says in about 2 hours, 3 hours, or possibly 30 minutes, your problems are done and you have received the money you have paid. It doesn't click well. It doesn't conform to the proper laws of nature. There are things that actually need some certain procedurals in a certain time window. So in that regard, we need to make sure we give ourselves time. We have to invest time in solving things, so that we have enough time for corrections. So njengoba usufikile ngiyacabanga ukuthi ubuthanda ukuthi uzozwa mhlambe noma ukuthi kuhamba kanjani, what are the costs, ubone nendawo nomuntu osebenza kuyo, because when you saw me there I was in suits, ngigqoka ama suits, ngigqoka ama label, and then uzogcina ungazange ukuthi nguye lo muntu or kanjani, yebo lento. So ngizocela ukuthi uhlale ngale nje 2 minutes, ngizokungenisa for okwesibili sesibuka ukuthi siqondaphi siyaphi ngoba usubekile izifiso zakho. Ngiyawadlula. Izandla sami lesi sinamabalengwe sinamazinyo. Haye. Oye sinamabalengwe isandla sami lesi. Oye isandla sami lesi sinamazinyo. Izandla sami lesi sinamabalengwe. Isandla sami lesi sinamabalengwe sinamazinyo. Sinamazinyo bo. Elele oye sinamabalengwe sandla sami lesi. Izandla sami lesi sinamazinyo. Ayibona le ngonyama emanzini. Ayibona le ngonyama. Ayibona le ngonyama. Ayibona le ngonyama. Hey mama, ayibona le ngonyama emanzini. Ayibona le ngonyama. Ayibona. spirituality is something very deep. Spirituality is in two sides and two ways. There is positivity and negativity. Spirits of negativity, they come from the dark forces and they are out to destroy each and every time. That is their mission, that is their goal set forth, to destroy. Spirit of positivity in that realm are the spirits to help people or to defend people from the acts, from the bad doings, from the attacks, from the evil side, from the evil world. We got people who serve under dark forces. We see them as Satanism, which is practicing witchcraft and attacking people spiritually, blocking people's things, causing problems in relationships, causing sicknesses, causing hindrances in whatever people actually try to do in life, making people suffer. They treasure in sorrows, they treasure in pain. That is the spirits of darkness that actually attack people left and right and center. I serve as a medium and a spirit medium to actually fight the wars in that realm, protecting myself, my family, and my people. What I call family is my family here at home, is my extended family, is the Kokovula community, my people that I serve, the people that I help, to rid off poverty, to rid off the spirits that cause poverty, that cause pain, that cause disorders, that cause mix-up, that cause barriers in life. So this morning, today, I woke up with a thought that I need to reach out for my people, talk to them, ngibavuselela, evoking and invoking our good spirits to always abide by the good doctrine, to guide us, to give us full guidance as our spiritual guides. Morning and a very good morning, everybody the world over. Love you. In this calling, dogo nkateleze uyangifune makosi, kodwa wena mkulu wami nkateleze uyangifune makosi, yebo koko wami nkateleze uyangifune makosi, yebo mkulu wami nkateleze uyangifune makosi, yebo dozi lami nkateleze uyangifuna yebo seni nkateleze uyangifuna mnantambama, nkateleze uyangifune makosi, yebo dugu nkateleze uyangifune makosi, yebo dozi lami nkateleze uyangifune makosi, kodwa mina koko wami nkateleze uyangifune makosi.